Hey everyone, Katie here from Trade Ideas, and I'm here to give you my weekly review for my blog this week. As always in these videos, I'm going to go over some key points, some highlights. If you want to go look at the full blog, go to tradeideas.com/blog and you'll find the full one. This week's blog is called The Era of Side Hustle and Learning How to Become an Affiliate Marketing Partner. So side hustles have been around for a while, from affiliate marketing, Etsy stores, influencing, trading, all these different extra ways to make money have been just little tasks, little passion projects off the side. But recently, especially since COVID, people have been switching from their full-time 9-to-5 rat race jobs into these side hustles, making full-time plus income. It's insane. Especially since we are heading into a recession and a pretty bad economy right now in 2023, having that supplemental income, such as a side hustle like affiliate marketing, can very, very much benefit you in the future. So what exactly makes Trade Ideas affiliate program unique to others? Number one is that our affiliate marketing program does not require you to have a certain amount of followers to be included in the program. Number two, there are no program fees in our affiliate marketing program. That's right, no additional fees, no little fine print in your contract saying you have to pay this much monthly to be a part of it, no hidden fees. Once you are signed up, there's also a no cap commission rate. So once you hit a certain amount of people that you're approaching, people getting your link for Trade Ideas, you can make real bank real fast. Number four, you can easily track your progress and your goals with our reporting tools and software. Number five, you have opportunities to cross-promote. If you have another side hustle you want to promote, a business, a brand, a product, use us so we can use you. Our affiliate marketing program is a win-win scenario for anyone who chooses to use it. So let us help you make 2023 your best and most successful financial year to date. Click the link below to my blog for more information.